Hi, Si here from Music Radar. We're at the Behringer stand again. This is Eric again. Now, this time you are going to show us the Pro-One. This kind of came a bit left field for us because we saw lots of this was happening in Christmas time. It was the vocoder was being teased online, and then all of a sudden, boom! Pro-One, have some. Talk us through it. Obviously, it's the original.
It was quite a rough and quick announcement, and but we like these things. We like to shock people and do the unexpected. Yes. Okay. So this is, as you said, the Pro-One. Mm-hmm. It's based on the circuit designs of Sequential Circuits, and it's one of the vintage synthesizers we wanted to give new life and make it accessible to people. So basically, the whole design is exactly like the original.
Yeah.
We only added a couple of CV outs on ins and outs on the top. And we also added a USB support to basically lift it up to the 21st century.
Yeah, of course.
And make it accessible for really everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's not that much to say about the design. You got two envelopes, a nice sounding filter. And you got two oscillators. They can be synced.
Yeah.
And they have square, triangle, and saw waves. And you always got a pulse width drop for the squares. So that's an interesting one. So yeah. There's some pulse width drop modulation, but always important, as I heard.
Yeah. Very popular.
Yes, and a really cool feature is that you can put the second oscillator in this low frequency mode, and then you get these gnarlingly deep and crazy basses.
Yeah, cool.
Also, we have a sequencer that I won't show you today because it's not completely finished.
Okay, all right.
And we got a nice modulation matrix where you can manually set a lot of where you can manually add a lot of like LFOs and other nice modulation things.
Cool.
Yes.
Like you say, this is early stages. We're not as complete as the vocoder.
As you probably saw, there were some problems. Yes, and it's a really early prototype here, but we just wanted to show it to the people and make clear that it's real.
It's real. This thing exists. Yeah. We're very happy to see it in the flesh. So thank you very much for that.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, Eric, thanks again. Thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you.
Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share wherever you're seeing this video right now, and check out musicradar.com for all the latest news, reviews, and tutorials. And we'll see you soon. Cheers.